Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Creating the M curve, 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 M curve, the M curve, M curve, M curve, the M curve, the M curve. Start up Photoshop with a new image. This one is 500 x 500. Select the pen tool. At the left side of your screen, in the middle, click and drag. In the screenshot, the green arrow is the starting point, then drag it upward. Release the mouse, move over and place the mouse at the next point and drag it down. Without releasing the mouse button, press down the Alt Option key and go back up. This is basically changing the direction handle. This gives you an inverted U-curve. Do not deselect. Joining the path, click on a point below everything else and approximately in the middle. You will start to see the beginnings of a heart. Locate the point where you started the shape. Click on it. This closes the path and gives you the basic heart shape. If the path will be closing, you will see a very small circle by your cursor. To manipulate it any further, you will need to move your direction handles around. In the Paths dialog box, locate the small circle made of dotted lines. Click it. This converts the path to a selection that you can use to create your graphics. Right-click on the layer with the path in it and select Rasterize Layer. This is what will allow you to fill your selection with color. Right-click on the bucket tool and select Gradient tool. Make a red and white gradient and then in the Options toolbar, select Radial Gradient. You also might want to reverse the fill as well. Enjoy your pretty new heart that you can use however you want